this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import some images from a couple of websites that are quite useful in QuarkXPress. And basically, we have a panel called Stock Images. I'll just expand this. And under the window menu, if I go down, there's Stock Images. And quite often when I want free images, there are two websites I use. One is Pexels and Unsplash. Pexels and Unsplash. And it's nice. Usually I have to go to the browser, find an image, download it and import it. But Quark actually has that inbuilt to a nice panel here. So here we've got Pexels selected. I will scroll up and down, or I can do a search, as you can see, and I will click on an image, drag it in, wait a few seconds, and there we go. And if I go to Unsplash and I'll do a search, let's say buildings, scroll down, find something I like, drag it in, and so on. Both these websites, the images are completely free, and you can go on the browser, go to pexels.com or unsplash.com, and you'll go into the license and you'll see they're all completely free. But it's really nice to actually have it inbuilt to QuarkXPress, so I don't have to go and download it and import it and so on and so forth. And you can see here there's a link to Unsplash and a link to Pexels, so I can click on that and go to the browser if I wish. Very useful, very handy. And that's how to import images direct from the web in QuarkXPress.